If we're going to be the leader, and I must say, when I talk to every other country wants to be a leader in AI, and they're going to be investing in this and building data centers.
AI is headlining the mega cycle and outperforming even Bitcoin, along with everything else. Even when the markets have tanked deep into the red, AI projects are rebounding and even making massive gains. Despite how tremendously fast AI developments are being made, we are here attempting to look ahead at the next big player in this sector. Welcome back to the Blockchain Basement, your place to make some major gains, get involved with the finance community in crypto, and remain very, very based. I am your host, The Druth, here to spread the good word about sovereignty of your own digital assets by getting yourself an Arculus cold storage wallet. This is the absolute best in the business for security and ease of use, and will absolutely rocket your testosterone levels when you get involved. Get yourself on with the discount on us by using code BASE10 at checkout and click the link down in the description below. That's right, my dwellers, but let's get into some cutting edge technology here. Polkadot, the next level of AI that is currently in beta testing. It's being built at the ultimate crossroads between NeuroWeb AI and Origin Trail's proven data training strategy. It's going to be live very, very soon and setting a new standard in decentralized AI models. Polkadot's defining feature is the Origin Trail's decentralized knowledge graph, the DKG, building an unshakable foundation for growth and transparency. Origin Trail is quickly becoming a heavyweight champion in the AI sector for real-world applications. The beauty of the DKG is the elimination of the black box AI that risks creating hallucinations and being trained on unknown sources of data, which can be very, very dangerous. By using verifiable data, this means that Polkadot makes a more trustworthy option than many of the other models available to the public right now. Since 2018, the DKG has been adopted by mass household names like Walmart, Target, Home Depot, and Disney. In fact, 40% of imports are being tracked through Origin Trail, and they choose to build on Polkadot for good reason. Polkadot also supports Chainlink price data feeds that will prime it for use with the growing RWA sector. Polkadot is just another example of how DOT is keeping their finger on the pulse of where these markets are headed, anticipating essential functions that keep businesses innovating forward. Fetch AI and Ocean Protocol have recently joined up with the AI Super Alliance along with Ben Goertzel, and also happen to be building AI agents within the Polkadot ecosystem before this merger came about. I suspect with these facts in hand that Polkadot is going to be involved with ASI as well, staying within the inner circle of these powerful projects. Polkadot is making consistent and sweeping renovations to usher in the next era of Web3 and hosting AI at scale by becoming a multi-chain, a global supercomputer. Being dynamic has become Polkadot's ultimate strength, paired with the tireless commitment to the community outreach and involvement with large-scale enterprises. We're talking about government, banking, insurance, logistics, and key decision makers across all jurisdictions. Polkadot's Decentralized Futures Program, or the DFP, is funding projects like Poki that bridges Polkadot's capabilities to all of these previously mentioned industries. This also pursues strategic political lobbying, pushing crypto, Web3, and Polkadot to the center stage of the industry leadership. Paired with this is the Accelerate Polkadot program, which was also launched via the DFP. Accelerate Polkadot is pushing the tools and knowledge to the developers so that they can successfully build on Polkadot, from concept to deployment. This is a code-first educational program that gives practical guidance and goal-based hands-on learning opportunities to any enterprise that wants to evolve into Web3. This top-to-bottom approach is undoubtedly going to attract a slew of growth to the Polkadot ecosystem. Gavin Wood has crafted an engagement strategy that cultivates long-term growth, utility at the helm, and is easy to navigate for these on-ramps and off-ramps for mass adoption. Polkadot is already hosting some of the biggest AI projects to date with the fastest growing real-world use cases, like NeuroWeb and, of course, as previously mentioned, Origin Trail. Now they are introducing their very own AI agent that will be sure to reflect how Wood's essential vision for functionality, security, ease of use, along with true scalability all come together. I am definitely feeling more and more bullish on this project the more I learn. Everywhere I look, they're coming out with something fresh and effectively meeting the needs of a broader audience. And when you cast a wide net, you catch a lot of fish, and that's exactly what Polkadot is doing. In this industry, you really can't sit still for a minute. You have to be consistently researching, refining, and improving your services. I have to say that Polkadot is delivering on that, and a big shout out to them for sponsoring this video and being a part of the Partners of the Blockchain Basement. Polkadot is always keeping me on my toes. There's always something to deliver, and there's always something fresh and exciting to talk about. And that's what I like to see here in the basement. I am always trying to find the best projects and bring you dwellers the goods, the very best, believe me. Thanks for joining me today and sifting through the noise on this episode. And if you haven't already, make sure that you're following this channel for all the alpha. Make sure you're subscribed with the notifications on. Drop a like on the video and leave your mark down in the comments. And even if you dare, become a member of the Blockchain Black site for our exclusive members only content. And until next time, Druth out.